Welcome to a tutorial on unarchiving posts on Instagram. Archiving is a useful feature, but sometimes you may want to make your archived post appear on your public profile again. This is how you do it. Open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile page. At the top right corner of your profile page, click on the archive button which looks like a clock. Now tap on where it says archive, and then tap on posts. You will now see a list of your archived posts. Tap on one to view it. If you want to archive it, tap on the settings button which looks like 3 dots, and then tap show on profile. If you go back to your profile now, you will see your image has been unarchived and is now visible to the public again. I will quickly archive a post and redo the unarchiving process again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials.